back to Tino here. Today we have this special coffee. Check it out. Have you ever seen such an insane looking car? This here is a classic Corvette Stingray and it is in for an in-out clean. So let's waste no time and begin this classic car detail with the wheels. Different brushes are used to thoroughly clean the wheels, tires and arches. Time for the snow foam, chaps. Extremely satisfying stuff. If you're enjoying this, be sure to subscribe. Let's remove that thick snow foam. Let me know your thoughts on this car in the comments below and rate it out of 10. Time to hand wash the Corvette with shampoo and the Tino wash mitts. These mitts are ultra soft and extremely easy to rinse off and clean as they release the dirt with ease. A detailing brush is used for those cracks and gaps. The lower portion of the car is clean last. Let's remove the shampoo from the Stingray. Head on over to our website tinocarcare.com for the best detailing products. The link is in the description. Time for the Tino Snow foam. This allows me to apply ceramic protection to the whole car in less than a minute. Look at those beads. The Tino drying towel makes easy work of drying the car, as it is also safely removing any dirt which may have been missed in the previous stages. This video has been sponsored by Turbo Watches, which have been inspired by your favorite cars. You have a wide range of watches to choose from, such as M Sport, AMG, RS. So be sure to check them out at turbowatches.shop. The link is in the description below. You will not be disappointed. I now clean the glass. In the comments below, let me know if you prefer classic cars or modern cars. I now move on to taking care of the dust in the upper surfaces first with an air blower, then with a detailing brush. This saves me from having to do the vacuum twice, as dust won't fall onto the cleaned carpets. Be sure to give this video a like if you've been enjoying it. I now deep clean the rest of the interior safely using the Tino interior detailer and a scrub pad. Our interior detailer has been designed to safely clean all interior surfaces, including this old leather interior. Chaps, I have some good news. We have just released 3 new products: our wheel cleaner, shampoo and white snow foam. Check them out. The exterior detailer is used to give that insane shine and further boost the ceramic protection. To finish this detail, I shine the tyres. All finished, chaps. Let's have a look at the results. Look at that awesome shine. Chaps, we've just packed up our equipment, now we're off to the next one. Be sure to subscribe, chaps, as we have an insane video coming out soon. But until then, here are 2 more videos I think you'd like.